back car garage on 92nd Street. My dad needed a piston for his outboard motor in a lower unit, and it started as a hobby.
I think that's when Clyde and Jeanette, and they had their cousin and another cousin, and that was the employees.
Right. Probably started at 14, cleaning the bathrooms.
Originally, it was the outboard marine pistons. And that market slowed down. Middle 50s or late 50s, go-karting became quite popular in California. Our foothold was the smaller, the 6.1 engines and the 8.2s. It was a time that everybody was running basically by the seat of their pants because the whole industry was young, you know, and it was everybody was in it was finding their way. It wasn't, we didn't have a lot of huge companies that were dominating the aftermarket. Joanne used to sit at our kitchen table and she used to make the catalogs in the evening on our kitchen table at our house. And the beginning catalogs at Wiseco, 1965. We were at the old shop on Lakeland Boulevard, and this Canadian walks in the door and he sets this piston on the counter and he says, "I need this made," and it was a 250 Rotex. And that was the beginning of our snowmobile business. And by 67, 68, we were roaring. It gave us the impetus to buy this land out here in Minter. And by 1970, then we moved into the Minter facility. As we grew and we became, had got better equipment, and we got better testing, and we got better quality control, making a good product, just, you know, in our line of business was pivotal. It was a perfect scenario for a family business to grow. And everybody kind of had the same goals, and that was to satisfy the customer.
It was always so important for me that people liked working here and just really got along. And
I'll open up a magazine and I'll see a Wiseco sticker, and I just get such a warm feeling, you know.
I think one of the things that impressed me the most about the tour was working. Everybody just seemed, they had wonderful attitudes, and amount of equipment is just mind-boggling. It's CNC department, the forging department, it's just unbelievable.